Hi, thank you for stopping by. Today, we're going to be making a screwdriver-inspired cake. Now, I don't know about you, but I love my vodka. Give me a late night, a couple vodka martinis, and I'm like Alyssa Edwards on the stage, lip-syncing for my life. Yes, please. So grab your vodka of choice and preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and let's start baking. We're going to start with 1 3/4 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1½ cups of sugar, ½ cup of vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. Zest from 1 orange, and in good old screwdriver fashion, orange juice. Now, optional, you can also add in some orange food gel. Then we just want to whisk everything up. Once your batter's done, go ahead and pour into your prepared pan. Remember, no cake left behind. Then bake for 30 to 35 minutes. Now for the buttercream. 4 sticks of butter, and just let that whip until it's light and fluffy. Then, a 1/4 cup of heavy cream, now, the main ingredient, Grey Goose. Now, we take a 1/4 cup of your favorite vodka and give yourself a little sip. And then just add in the vodka. And with that mixing, we're going to go ahead and add in 2 pounds of powdered sugar. We'll just add a little here to start off. And mix it up. Add a little more. Back in again. And let that mix. And then add the last of the sugar. And just let that whip up. Now, let's let this buttercream cool while we get our cake ready to decorate. So with our buttercream chilled and our cake leveled, we can go ahead and start with our cake stand. Add the bottom layer of our orange sponge cake. Give a nice healthy layer of your vodka buttercream. Then add your cake top. And finally, just smother this with vodka buttercream. After all, it's buttercream and it's vodka. You can't go wrong. We'll go ahead and even out this buttercream with some swirl action. Give a couple more dabs on the side. Some more smoothing action. Then we can top it off with our orange slice garnish. Now we're ready to enjoy our orange sponge cake with vodka buttercream, aka our screwdriver cake. Be sure to hit up the like button down below, and why not subscribe? Until next week, bye!